Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to draw Lucario. So this super cool Pokemon was actually a request from this lovely person here. So thank you for your request. Alright, so let's just get into it. So I'm going to start drawing Lucario with his eye. So it's kind of a slanted down line like that. And then we're gonna round the bottom part like that. Now the inside, kind of like a upside, or kind of like a U shape there. And then inside that we've got the same shape, only smaller, and we're gonna color that inside dark. All right, so from there, he's got his like snout. So we're gonna come down and then come in. Like that. And then we're gonna come down for like a little bit of a neck right there and right there. And he's not very happy, so we're gonna give him that little frown. And here on the side, we're gonna curve over this way. I know so far it looks pretty silly, but it'll be cool in the end. All right, so now we're gonna do his great big ear. He's got two super duper tall ears. And just a little space between the both of them. And then that other super duper tall ear. And then connect it to his muzzle, snout, mouth, nose thing. Okay, so in his ear, we got a shape coming up and then down again, and then inside it comes up and then down again. And we can color that inside dark. If you want to wait until the end to color any of this stuff in, that's totally fine. And same kind of thing over on this side, up, down, and then on the inside, up and down, and then color dark. All right, so he's got like a line coming from here, just the under part of that nose, and it goes underneath his eye, and like that. And then it's between the ears. And then it slants upward, like that. And we've got another line here, because like I said, it's between the ears. And then a line here on this side. So it's almost like he's kind of wearing a mask. Okay. Now, in the back here, he's got a funny shape like this. And another one. And he's got another one, but we're gonna add that in later. We're gonna put that on the other side. All right, so right now he's got, I'm gonna finish this here. All right, so right now he's gonna have a bit of like fur, just like some spiky fur bits coming up here. Just, you can see it here, just the neck and the spiky fur bits. And maybe some spiky fur bits are bigger than others. All right, so down a little tiny bit from the spiky fur bits, we've got an actual spike. Oh, sorry. My dog just barked. I don't know if you could hear that in the background. She must see something in the window. Okay, so then I'm gonna draw a little line right here. And then we're gonna curve this way a bit. And then on this side, we're gonna work on his shoulder. So he's got like a big, thick, dark shoulder piece. It's almost like a really small tire. Really teeny tiny car tire. And he's got that on both sides. So like right over here too. And then we're coming down. He's got a really little waist. And he's got great big hips. And right here, I'm going to work on his arm. So that's where his elbow will be. And then right here, drawn downward. Now he's got a great big spike on both of his hands. So I'm going to draw in that great big spike right here. And then continue on with the rest of his hand, his paw. And he's got like 1, 2, 3, like fingers, I guess. Paws? Fingers on his paws? 1, 2, 3, finger paws. And then we're gonna come on up and connect to the rest of that arm. Now he's got a part coming down here. And we can come up again and then down again. And that just shows that this part is going to be darker than this part. They're going to be two different colors. Okay, so back to those great big hips. We're going to curve and draw horizontally this way. It's almost like he's wearing shorts. So the other short right here. Okay, and so right here, we're gonna come downward, almost like a really, really wide U, like super wide. And then right here, we're gonna do a little bit of that shape too. We're gonna kind of mimic that shape we just made, but right here, we're gonna give it a little bit of a spiky bit of his fur too. And then we can continue that shape we just made, like that. Okay, so legs. A little curve here. Work on down right there. And then his legs kind of go back a little bit. And then come on down. His legs are thinner up here and wider down here towards the bottom of his paw. Okay, and then we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 little toes. And just a little line, little 2 lines there to kind of show his knee. So we're going to curve right here and curve right here. And then come on down. And then those 3 toes. So 1, 2, 3. And then come on up. Like that. So now he's got 2 of his legs done. I'm just going to do another little line like this to kind of help give his knee a bit of definition there. And he needs another arm. So we're going to put it over here. I'm going to start with that big spike. Right there. And 1, 2, 3 fingers on his paw. And then we're going to bring it up. Okay, and we're going to do that same kind of little line that we made right here. That's We're gonna come down, we're gonna come up again, we're gonna go down. Okay, and now we're gonna make this other part. We're gonna give him another one of these, but we're gonna put it over on this side. So I'm gonna do a little shape like that, and it's kind of there in behind him, so I just did a little line there. And he needs a tail. So right here, I'm gonna draw it coming on up, and up a little bit more right here, down here behind his arm. And his tail comes out like this, and in, and then comes on back. Okay, so now that we've got Lucario all sketched out, I'm going to take a black Sharpie marker and I'm just going to outline him and make the outline a lot darker so he kind of pops off the page a bit more. And then I'm going to add some color, and then I might give the background some color too. All right, everyone, so we are now done our drawing of Lucario. You now know how to draw him. So I'm gonna remind you guys to feel free to like and comment and subscribe because it really super duper helps out the channel. And I hope you all have fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really, really good day, and I hope to see you guys back here for the next Daily Doodles. Okay, everybody, bye!